So guys, how we can add in for email subscription option using for feed burners that mean by RSS field option. What does it mean by email subscription? Then mean by what are the updates are required in the blogger. They give update for the particular email address will be received for email subscription option. This will be using for a lot of e-commerce portals. So same like a blogger, I'm update anything. We can receive the message. We can use option will be called email subscription where you can add. We can add by in the right corner of the each and every content. So email subscription purpose. In a previous video, we discussed about that how we can creating for feed burner option by using RSS feed. After create this one, just to open this blogger related RSS feed, click for publicize. In this selecting for email subscription, in this click for activate. After activate, copy this, enter code and copy. Go to blogger website where you can paste email subscription, add gadget using for HTML JavaScript option, add it. Email subscription, save and save our element. Now you can go to refresh. Here, any email required and subscribe it. Here particular will be here. So what is the option will be there? You can use it. So when answer will be wrong, they will show you for number of times. Click for verify. In this email subscription will be request, success will be accepted. So this all option will be given the particular things. If any mail will be received, I open the mail here. Give me seconds. Mail was open. Here, activate your email subscription in the particular things. Just click for here. Confirm. So the person when we confirm, they receive by all message by in the particular email activation. This compulsory we can use the where feed burner option to activate RSS field. After that you can enable by the which one email subscription option. Email bonding. What is the email bonding is there? You can check everything will be here. So they are not save any kind of emails. What are the updates are there in your particular blogger? They receive by mail on the particular email subscription side. So this is a very important on the particular emails to activate email subscription and how we can add the your particular blogger website. Simple after activate RSS field, just publication, go to for email subscription to activate, just copy the code in the blogger website. This activate procedure, I'll give the previous video, follow the video to activate the feed burner on the RSS feed particular blogger website.